It is Wednesday, February 19th.
I'm just gonna go play my games.
What? What about your video? Say hi. Look, you're right there. That's not a hi. So we slept in a little bit longer today. It's about 8:30.
It's gonna not be in my video.
Here, let me finish that video. Having issues with WordPress. My cell phone, so I just had to email support. Try to figure it out. Seems like somebody changed my password on one of the sites, which isn't good. Stop. And yeah, so we're gonna go do some exploring the beaches area today. But my laptop is still broke, not charging, so I'm crippled at the moment. Good morning. At the hotel. So today it's been pretty rainy, and so we pretty much just stayed in the hotel room. West Sequemin doing cleanup, laundry, organizing, cleaned out the car. We played some Army Soldier and no Legos today. Cian's got some games going on the Kindle. I started to shave and wound up screwing up my mustache as part of the beard, so wound up shaving it off mostly all, so not really happy with it, but it is what it is. We are fixing to go head over to Port Angeles to the dollar store, get some supplies, get a little toolkit to see if I can fix the laptop. Good luck with that, right? At Port Angeles Beach, I guess. Squim, Washington, right now, Cian. And I think, recap, me and Cian spent the day, well, the afternoon in Port Angeles. We stopped at the Asian buffet on the way out of town. It wasn't very good. The food was mediocre. We forgot to stop and get milk and bread. So we'll have to do that tomorrow morning. And we pretty much just came home and hung out. Cian took a bath and played for a really long time in the bathtub. We didn't get the call from Mom again, but that's alright. We went
and he didn't play with my stuff too.
And we'll play with Cian's stuff. And we're watching X-Men Apocalypse before bed, and then it's off to sleep. Cian will go to sleep at bedtime, and I will finish getting things figured out on my phone since I'm handicapped with no laptop at the moment.
And no Kindle because it's charging.
Yeah. I can't blog outside of these little video blogs at the moment, so such is life.